Hello guys, this is week 3 of our Reno, and as you can see, most of the masonry works have been done and they brought in a lot of tiling stuff. So I'm just gonna take you guys through. Okay, let's start from the kitchen. So they've flushed all the walls nicely. So they've touched up all the exposed things earlier in the previous update. And then at the bottom of the kitchen cabinets, they've already started laying on tiles. So that will be done throughout all this part. Also on this side, it's the same thing as well. So the walls, they have put on the cement screed, and then everything will be flushed nicely in a few weeks' time. Okay, let's head on to the study area. So the same thing, they've also touched up the whole exposed areas nicely. So now it's a very flat surface. Okay, the thing that I'm most excited about is our toilets. I'm just gonna show you guys, the tiles have already been laid on all corners. So we really like these tiles, a very nice like grey colour. And it's the same thing for our master bathroom. So just take you guys through the same thing. Yeah. So that's about it for this week. So now we're just waiting to get all the electrical works in, everything done up nicely, and then we'll start shopping for lightings and toilet fixture. And then hopefully we get to see more progress in the next week. Hello guys! So another week has passed, and let me just bring you through the current progress for our house renovation. So as you all can see, all the kitchen tiles have been, the kitchen backsplash tiles have already been laid. And also for this week, all our electrical works are already done up. So I think our IDA contractors are trying to cover up like the main points that we don't need and those that we actually need. Yeah, this is also the backsplash tile on the other side. And then there's actually some plaster boards that just came today. So I think the next plan is actually to cover up the false ceiling that we have over here. So you can see that all the lighting points are already constructed. So next week I think they will probably be busy with this. Then of course the plaster boards will all be laid over here, I think to cover up the TV area because it's a fake wall. As you can see at the dent over here, we're gonna build like a new feature wall. Yeah, so all electrical works have been done, covered up, and our toilet tiles are all completed. Yeah, so from the top to the sides to the bottom. So we decided to build like a raised ceiling over here. It used to be like a slope. And then towards the side too, we wanted to do like a drop down to the main showering area. So now we're just waiting for all the toilet stuff to be installed. We're just gonna wait for all the electrical works to be done, all the rewiring, and that's about it. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye!